I'm going to be making a game in 48 hours for the Kenney Game Jam. The team is making a game only using assets from Kenney. Okay, so it's the day to start the game jam. So I decided to make an arcadey car game, so I downloaded tracks, UI elements, and even audio.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, I started to think of ideas for a while until I got one. A car game with multiple levels which have some kind of story, and in the end, something happens. So I opened up Unity and started working. I have this car in, though the gravity is kind of slow, so let's fix this. Okay, so I've remastered the car system and now it's more realistic and harder. Though, let's go ahead and finish this map. So I added these rocks in the background and I've added some post-processing so it looks beautiful. Alright, and now the track is done. So, yeah. I've made this countdown in the start of the race, and now I'm going to start working on the main menu. I'm going to be using the UI pack from Kenney for the menu, so let's get started. So off camera, I made the options menu, so let's move on to the next day. It's the next day and I've made a play menu. Everything was going great until I started working on the AI and suddenly Unity crashed. What the f***? So finally the AI is done and we can move. So you go with the AI, but the AI gets stuck most of the time, so it's kind of easy to win. So then I made some music. Alright, so then I tried putting the music in the game. What the f***? The second time? I fixed the AI and here's the game. I've added the position the player is in and his music, so let's make the second level. Okay, so the second level is done, and I've made some UI, or to be specific, pause menu and a complete menu. Then I spent the rest of the day making levels like this, and even this. So now we need to start making the store page and icons. So I fired up Photoshop and started. But at last, it was too late. I missed the deadline by 3 hours and I was doomed. I still released the game, but I kind of failed the challenge, so if you want me to try this again, please subscribe and like, and hopefully we can succeed in the future with this. But I mean, it's still 48 hours that I made this game in, so yeah, please subscribe and like.